Wow. You can't really see it that much. See the raging creek waters over there? There's where the entrance to our pond is. And it's literally that bad of an overflow. There it is. All up in there. It's flowing down into here. There's no way. There's no way a body could cross that creek. Look at all the trash in it. Sorry guys, I've never seen it get this bad down here. Wow. That creek is rolling. And this is where I always bring my little boy to play. That metal bridge is usually never overflowing because of the way they built it. It's designed pretty well. As you can see, let's see if we can look down that way. There's where the creek splits at T's and goes left to right. But it looks like one big lake out there right now. Yep, this is Stroketown Road. It's time to put her in R and go really fast backwards. No, I'm just playing. Y'all be safe out there if y'all happen to be any of my local subscribers. I was going to ride down towards the ferry, but if this one's that bad, there's no way. There's no way I'm going to get stranded somewhere today in this little Jeep. Take care.